Hey guys, I'm Anish from your atmosphere. I'm here to unbox the best Bluetooth speaker below 800 rupees. So without further ado, let's get started. This is the box that I received from Amazon. It shows Amazon Prime. And towards the top we can see a simple MaxPi branding. And towards the back we can see there are one speaker, two IFR connection and instruction manual. Maximum retail price of this is given 1999 rupees, but I bought it for 800 rupees in Amazon. If you wanna buy it, I'll leave a link in the description. So let's quickly unbox this and see what are the contents we get in the box. Opening the box, we see a gorgeous MaxPi speaker which shows NFC, model number MaxPi M4. Let's keep it aside and see what are the contents do we get in the box. Below we get an instruction manual which shows splash-proof Bluetooth speakers user manual, and we get a simple bill which shows 799 rupees, and the accessories we get in the box are simple: a normal USB to micro USB for charging, and an auxiliary cable which shows both sides are like our earphones. Towards its front is a MaxPi minimal logo. Towards its top you can see power button, a call key which attends and holds call, volume rockers which acts as forward and backward switches while playing music. Moving on to the side, we can see three things: input, aux and reset. Towards the rear, we can see minimal MaxPi branding and NFC which indicates NFC present in it, and model MaxPi M4, an input of 5 volt and 0.5 amps, and output power of 3 volt. Now moving on towards its build quality. The build quality feels nice in hand and it has rubberized finish which feels grippy in hand. The rubberized finish makes it also more resistant to drops and dents. It is also said that it is IP54 dust and water resistant, which means it is both sustainable to water and dust environments. Let's quickly power it on and play some music. To turn it on, press and hold the power button for around 5 seconds until you hear the beep. And once when you hear the beep, you can quickly play some music. I was amazed by its music. Let's hear it. That's it guys for the review. See you in the next one. If you wanna mention something, please mention it in the comments box. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. So see you in the next one. Peace.